On my way, finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
So guys, I wanted to quickly share a fall black, white, and silver dining and living room, seeing that I had a lot of these pieces, and I was recently doing a walkthrough while running some errands at Winners, HomeSense, and Michael's, and I picked up a few new things that I wanted to add to what I already had. So this just came out of nowhere, and I was like, okay, let me just share a black and silver with a little bit of white fall decor, because I know a lot of people still decorate with these colors, also gold and black. Not everyone adds color to their fall decor, and this would have been what I would have actually done for fall, but I wanted to bring in, you know, some warmth and some color, because this is what I normally would decorate with. So this is just a little inspirational video, a little twist from my actual fall decor that I'm using this year, which you guys know and you've seen in a few videos already, that I'm actually using the burnt orange and rust colors, which is part of the orange family. Anyways, like I said, I just wanted to share something different with you guys. I'm waiting on a few pieces for my living room, so I figured why not share something else with you guys to give you a little inspiration. So a lot of this stuff you guys have seen before, like the plates and the chargers. The plates are from Amazon, the chargers and the placemats, as well as the flatware is also from Amazon. These glam glasses came from Amazon, and then these flutes came from Winners. And this is a new piece that I got from HomeSense for, I think, $19.99. It's a really cute candelabra, and it holds 2, 4, 6, 7 candles. The napkins are from HomeSense or either Winners, and then the napkin rings came from Amazon. And this is just a cute little black and white tablescape with a little bit of glam that I decided to create and share with you guys. So moving on to this area, I brought this black and white artwork from upstairs. It was in my, as you go up the stairs, the wall. I thought it would look really nice and finish off the black, silver, and a little tad bit of white that I was sharing in this video with you guys. On my credenza, the pumpkins these are all pumpkins that I've had for a few years. This I've had for many years. A lot of people on YouTube have them. And then these smaller glam glass pumpkins, they all came from HomeSense / Winners. These cute little ones came in a set of 8 from Amazon, and these are some recent purchases that I got one from HomeSense and one from Winners, or I got both of them from HomeSense. I don't even remember. So I'm going to come in a little closer and show you. These are some beautiful vessels or face vases that I picked up. One was $24.99, and then the other one was on clearance for $22. And then these silver eucalyptus stems, they came in a set of 3, and I've had those for a while. I used it in a tablescape a few years back in the apartment. I think it was a collab that I did with some other YouTubers. Those came from Amazon, and then my lamps came from HomeSense. And then this picture I think I got on clearance from Winners. And that is my cute little black, silver, and a little bit of white tablescape with a little bit of glam. So moving on to the living room area, you guys have seen pretty much a lot of this stuff. If you're my oldies but goodies you have, and if you're new to the channel, a lot of the stuff will be new to you. So I'm going to share where I got some of them from. This is a recent purchase from Amazon. This faux fur blanket, it's really soft and plush. The ottomans I've purchased a few years ago from Wayfair. My coffee table is from Wayfair as well. The glam rotating tray came from HomeSense. And then these gray ones are part of the set that I got from Amazon. These white ones are also from Amazon. They came with some buffalo check print pumpkins. And then this is just, I think this little one here is from probably the Dollarama, and I sprayed it black. And then this is from Amazon as well. My little glass riser came in a set of 2, and I got those from HomeSense. The candle is from HomeSense, actually Winners. And then this black vase came from Value Village. It was a thrift find. And then these silver fall leaves came from Amazon as well. And you guys know that the black velvet pillow covers, they're all from Amazon, and these are usually like my main pillows that I always have here on my sectional. The Glam silver pillow covers also came from Amazon. All of my inserts are a split between Winners and HomeSense. And then the wall art came from probably HomeSense. This pillow cover is a really soft velvet pillow cover with a little bit of detailing on it, which brings in a little bit of coziness and texture. Came from Amazon, and like I said, all of my inserts came from Winners and HomeSense. So all I do is just purchase new pillow covers and switch them out. And then this soft throw came from Amazon as well, and I've had all of that stuff for a few years now. These pumpkins, they are a nice plush velvet. I purchased those a few years ago from Winners. The Glam candle holders are from Amazon, and then this cute little leaf tray came from Amazon as well. My coffee table books are all from Amazon, and then these cute little tea light holders also came from Amazon. And you can get those in the gold as well, the gold and Glam from Amazon as well. So guys, here on my end table, this end table is a thrift find. It came in a natural wood, and I've had it for a few years. I did paint it gold when I first got it, and then I decided to lighten up the living room with a refresh, and I ended up painting it in this chiffon chalk paint color. It's sort of like a creamy color. The Chanel book is from Amazon, and this is a recent purchase that I got from Winners for $24.99. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find the bigger one, but I did see it in a gold, and the gold actually came with the small one like this and also the bigger version. I was also in HomeSense hoping that I was able to maybe score on the bigger one, but I didn't end up finding that one. So hopefully when I go back to Winners again, maybe I'll be lucky to get a bigger one. And these lamps came from Winners, and the other one is over on my bookshelf. The tree came from Amazon a few years ago. These canvases were a DIY. And then this bookshelf I've had for a few years, and I purchased 2 of these from Winners over 2 months ago, I think, but I never shared it with you guys. It was made in India, and it comes with a handle. It's a nice vessel that you can use as a vase, or you can style it as is on a bookshelf or wherever. I have 2 of them, and I think they were like $19.99. And then this is another set of some fall flowers that came from Amazon as well. Here's another rotating tray. I think this one was $24.99. And I've had those for a few years, like I mentioned when I shared the other one that's on my coffee table. These I've had for a few years, and I got these ones from Winners, and they were $9.99 each. And then these are some more of the white pumpkins that I got from Amazon. This is the other lamp that came from Winners. And then these are just some bookends because I didn't really have much to style and decorate this area, so I just used what I had to complement the colors that I was going with, which is the black, silver, and white. These are some cute bookends that I shared in a haul a while back that I got for $9.99 from Winners, either Winners or HomeSense. And then this candle, this pumpkin actually lights up, and I've had that for a few years. And then I just added this cute little silver tray to just let this area complement everything else that I had going on. And that's pretty much it, guys, for my silver, black, and white fall living room tour. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to bring, you know, something different in between waiting on some of my other items to come in to wrap up my fall home tour. So the next video that I'll be sharing with you guys is my kitchen. I still have my living room, and then I may do something in a little refresh for fall in my bedroom and maybe my washroom upstairs. I'm not really sure yet, but make sure that you're subscribed and you have your bell turned on, guys. That way you won't miss out on those videos. And then I'm gonna wrap up all of my fall content by the ending of October, and then we're gonna start moving on to sharing some Christmas content. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoy home decorating and styling and DIYs and organizing and cleaning, a lot of motivational content, a little bit of cooking, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, double tap your post notification bell, and like I said, once you do that, you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And just to let you guys know, you can style and decorate your space for fall, Christmas, with whatever colors you like. You don't have to do traditional colors. You don't have to add color if you don't want to. You can do black and gold, black and silver. You can add a pop of color in your florals. Do whatever your heart's desire. And it's your space. You live there, and no one else has to like it other than you. Thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.